Hi guys. Warning. This video may contain information that may be useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, activate notifications to not miss any opportunity to know, like and share. See you soon. Hi guys. Let's start with how to buy on Amazon. First, create an account. Open the Amazon site. Click on your account. Click on Start here. You will be redirected to a registration form to create a new account. Fill in the form. Fill in your name, your email address, and the password of your choice. Add your delivery address. You can have your purchases delivered to you or your company. Amazon allows you to use more than one delivery address, so you can fill in more than one. Add your billing information. Use the search bar. Locate the search bar. At the top of the page, you will see a gray rectangular field. With your mouse, place the cursor in this field. Type the terms of your search. Press enter. Scroll through the results. Open the category menu. Choose your category. Review the products. Select an item. Click on an article. Choose to buy a new or used product. Click Add to Cart. To order, click on the cart icon. Click Place Order. Choose your delivery address. Select your payment method. Enter any promotional codes. Click Validate Order. Enable one-click orders. Open the Your Account page. Click the one-click settings link. Select the address and payment method of your choice. Activate the one-click. Advice: if you use Google Chrome, there is a free extension called Amazon Easy Search, which will allow you to search Amazon for any words you have highlighted. Before validating your order, check the details to make sure the delivery times match your needs. For example, if you buy a birthday present, check that it should be delivered on time. Sell your products on Amazon. 5 reasons to sell your products on Amazon. Number 1, you do not need to create a website. Number 2, you do not need to generate traffic yourself. Number 3, you can delegate the logistics to Amazon. Number 4, no complicated merchant account to manage. Number 5, Amazon customer support is irreproachable. Which products to sell on Amazon? The 3 solutions for selling on Amazon. You have 3 possibilities. Sell the products of others. You sell products marketed by a brand by providing you with it. Sell products in white label. As a result, these are more difficult products to sell. Sell your own products, providing you with suppliers like Alibaba. The 3 biggest mistakes that professionals make on Amazon. Mistake number 1, to have very small margins. Mistake number 2, positioning on poor quality. Mistake number 3, believe that you can do without marketing. 7 tips to promote your products on Amazon. Number 1, carefully select the main image. Number 2, highlight the benefits of your product. Number 3, be accessible for your customers. The fact that there is an email or phone number to reach you is a real plus in terms of customer experience. Number 4, get customer reviews. Number 5, optimize SEO. Number 6, connect with influencers. Bloggers, YouTubers, stars on Instagram or Pinterest. Number 7, advertise. How it works. Access millions of customers and put Amazon's online sales expertise and search and payment technologies to work for your business. Selling on Amazon is a simple process in 5 steps. 1. Create your seller account. Create your seller account to start selling products. You will have access to the management interface called Seller Central. 2. Upload your product stock. After registering to sell online, use the web interface or text files for quick sale on one or more Amazon European sites. 3. Customers buy your products. Amazon.com makes it easy to buy your products. 4. You ship your products to customers. Amazon notifies you by email when an order has been placed. 5. Receive your payment. Why sell on Amazon? Reach millions of customers. The Amazon Shipped service is a set of shipping solutions offered by Amazon to its customers to help them do business faster and easier around the world. By signing up for the Amazon Shipped service, you let Amazon arrange for you to store, prepare, package and deliver your products to the buyer's address. The Amazon Shipped service does not only help you increase your sales, it also allows you to easily manage your activity. Here's how. Spend less time managing your inventory and forecasting demand. Send the desired quantity of products of your choice, eligible for the Shipped by Amazon service. Let Amazon take care of preparing, packing and shipping orders to your customers so you can focus on selling. Create your international offers. Check this box if you want to sell your products on the 5 Amazon European marketplaces, and attract millions of new buyers. You can sell on all these marketplaces without additional subscription fees. How it works. 1. Sign up. Registration is free, fees only apply when you make a sale. When a customer orders one of your products, Amazon will notify you via email as well as Seller Central's sales chart. Let Amazon's shippable service take care of the storage, packaging and shipping of your items, or ship them yourself. 4. Receive your payment. That's all for today. See you in another video.